Yet another attempt to reopen legal proceedings against former Brazilian President Luiz Inacio Lula da Silva has been quashed, marking the 20th straight legal victory for Lula. More details with our correspondent Brian Mier.
Last March, after the Brazilian Supreme Court reversed all convictions of former President Luiz Inacio Lula da Silva related to the Lava Jato investigation, which was a partnership between the U.S. Department of Justice and a small group of public prosecutors in the Curitiba district, many Anglo journalists tried to insinuate that Lula could still be convicted in another district. In fact, what the Supreme Court did was they nullified all evidence that had been presented against Lula in the ambit of Lava Jato and threw out the convictions because of illegal forum shopping, specifying that if someone wanted to try to reopen charges without any of the evidence that was used in Lava Jato, they should do it in an appropriate court district, and they designated Brasilia as this district. So this morning, Brasilia Federal District Court Judge Poliana Maciel rejected a move by prosecutors to reopen the investigation against Lula in the Itabaia vacation property case. This was the second and more flimsy of the Lava Jato convictions of Lula. It was based on allegations that Lula had accepted illegal reforms on a vacation property. But the case had several problems. First of all, the property in question was registered in the name of somebody else, and it wasn't just a random person. It was the former mayor of Campinas. Secondly, there was no material evidence presented. Just as in the case of the triplex apartment, the only evidence that prosecutors had ever shown was a coerced plea bargain testimony made by a convicted criminal in exchange for massive sentence reduction and partial retention of illicit assets. So what this ruling today really does is it sends a message out that it's going to be almost impossible, legally speaking, to remove Lula from next year's presidential elections. It looks like Lula's candidacy is more solid than ever.